Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a PS4 that keeps on overheating. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first reason that might be causing is having poor ventilation system. So if you have poor ventilation system, then that might be the cause of your issues. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is keep the PS4 in an open area through which the ventilation system can work properly, and also keep in mind of the cable management as well, and clean the ventilation with a soft brush for a proper and better airflow. Now the second is high temperature issues. If you keep your console on a high temperature area, that might be likely the reason to the overheating issue. So in order to fix this issue, try keeping your console on a low temperature area using external cooling fan as well. Now the second thing is low system storage. If your system storage is running out of storage, or you're using an external hardware like disks or pen drive, etc., that might be also the reason for overheating, as without proper storage space, the games cannot operate smoothly, which forces the console to overheat. So in order to fix this issue, try removing unwanted data like games or files that are using space in your system storage. So that's basically how to fix a PS4 that keeps on overheating, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.